Hello everyone, my name is Cecilia Pena and this is my Writing Across the Curriculum organizer. These are the three websites that I chose, and the one that I highlighted is there and highlighted that I use for this. Writing Across the Curriculum, I learned on this website that, students, we all know that students must be taught how to read and write often, and that as teachers we must provide all the opportunities as much as possible and that in all content areas. Building fluency and composition, it suggested timed writing events, 3-minute timed writing events for all content areas. For math, you could use, what do you know about addition? Write for 3 minutes, tell me what you know. For science, it could be tell me what you know about the solar system, just for an examples of timed writing events. So that way students can let you know what they comprehended in your lesson. And if the teacher reads that and sees that they didn't comprehend very well, they could use that to plan additional instruction to improve comprehension and writing. It also talked about shared writing and interactive writing and the focuses on what they focus on and what the teacher's role and the student role is there. And then, of course, an important aspect of content area learning is writing from sources. Students must learn how to annotate those, what they're reading, so that way they could model that in their writing, and they must know what they're reading in order to write, to be able to have their audience know what they're writing about. So comprehension goes both ways. And finally, students can meet the standards by practicing writing in all content areas regularly. The writing should reflect a variety of purposes and audiences, and it should be designed to build knowledge. One of my favorite quotes was probably the conclusion quote in this website. It said, "Effective writing teachers know that building stamina, discussion, and knowledge are integral for developing stronger writers." That sentence says it all with that website and the article that I read. So again, I hope you enjoy this, and I look forward to reading all of yours.